Hey students, I'm Josh Oakes and I'm so excited to help you build your first personal website. Now, maybe I've come to your school and taught a few of the students, or maybe you, what that website needs to look like. Today we're going to do a little bit of the tactical and practical behind the scenes, how to connect your website to Google. So in the next few steps in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your website domain, in my case, joshoakes.net, to your Google site on sites.google.com, so that your Google site will appear on your website domain. This helps. Here's why we're doing this. It helps your site achieve higher status in Google results, which is great because the higher it is, the easier it is for your dream school and for your dream company to find it. And that's what I care about. I want to get you into the great school and get you working at SpaceX or Disney or wherever you want to work at, or start your own company. It doesn't matter. First, you got to select your domain. Now, your domain should include many of the keywords that someone might use to search for you. For example, my name is Joshua Oakes on my birth certificate, but I go by Josh Oakes. So I bought joshoakes.com. You could buy firstname.lastname.net if your .com isn't available, first, middle, last .com or .net. The best domains are .com, .net, or .org. The rest of them, the other ones are nice, but they don't have as big of a benefit in Google's eyes, in our opinion, and there's some technology and nerdy stuff behind it. So to buy your domain, you're going to go to your personal Gmail account. You're going to log into that, and you're going to visit domains.google.com to do so. And you're going to purchase the domain for about $12, right? And I'm going to show you how I purchased mine and what I did. Next, we're going to do some stuff. We're going to forward the bare domain to the www, okay? So let's go to Google Domains. I've got a ton of stuff. Let's go joshoakes.net. I'm just searching for it. I have a ton of these things. So we're going to go to joshoakes.net. And we are going to click on it. Whoa, there's a lot going on here, but see this little configure DNS thing? We are going to configure this so that once you purchase it, you can then do some cool things. We're going to scroll down the synthetic records, okay? Synthetic records. This is so cool. Oops, I accidentally clicked that. But as soon as you buy it, you scroll down to synthetic records, and then it follows it here to and set up a subdomain forward, which is the default. In the subdomain, type the @ and then forward path, and I'll show you what we're going to do. So subdomain, you're going to type @ and then you're going to put in the domain that you just bought with the www.joshoakes.net. Now, I've already done that. If I do this, it's already down here, but we're going to do permanent redirect 301, and you don't need to forward the path, but you are going to enable SSL, and it may come back with an issue. It may come back with, hey, your SSL isn't ready yet, or blah, 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 blah. See, this record is actually already in use. I've already done this, so we don't need to do this. But I am going to enable SSL for this one. It's super easy and super fast. Google is amazing. And I don't get paid to say that by them. I don't get paid by them. Okay, so this synthetic record has an error. It may take 24 hours. This is a normal error, and it will fix itself in an hour, in 10 minutes. So this synthetic record has an error, so that's fine. But you put an @ and then you put the domain with a www there, okay? joshoakes.net. So if you see this, and then insert www.yourdomain.com/net into the part right here that says destination URL. And I want you to know how to do this so you can help your peers. Destination URL box. Okay, great. Now, once you've done that, you're cool. No need to do anything else here. We don't need to do that. Okay, now we go down to here. Forget about the text record. We don't need that. What I want to do with you is click this @ the A, click CNAME. See that CNAME? You're going to type in right here, www, and then you're going to put your domain name. You're not going to put your domain name here. You're going to type in, scroll down to the custom resource records part of domains.google.com, click the drop down and select CNAME. Okay, we just did that. In the @ area, type www, and then leave the 1 hour thing, and we're going to type in ghs.googlehosted.com and include the little period, okay? I'm going to keep that for you. And you're basically going to type in www. That has to say CNAME. It can't say at because it won't work. So CNAME, leave that. That's fine. And you're going to type in ghs.googlehosted.com and put a little baby period at the end. See that? And then you're going to click add. Now I already have that. So it's going to go, warning, you already have that. Boom, boom, boom. That's fine. And now 5 minutes later, this is what's cool. 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes later, you can go over to your Google site, joshoaks.net, right? I've already set up my site. That's a whole nother boot camp we're going to work on. You go up here to this little ... up here. See that? And you click on custom URLs. And that's when you type in, I've already done this, you type in www.joshoaks.net. And that URL is already down there, but it'll have a little tiny checkbox, either green or purple, that shows, dude, you own that. That's what Google says to me. They go, dude. So joshoaks.net, and it's awesome. And that you'll click add, and then it'll go, all right, cool. And then it literally doesn't do anything. It just shows you this. You have to click away from it. I'm clicking in the dark area behind it, and that, boom. Now, eventually, 2 minutes later, 5 minutes later, maybe an hour if something goes wrong, I don't know, you'll be able to go to joshoaks.net, you know, your domain, whatever that is. I have a .com and a .net. But for here, that is my Google site, my sites.google.com. Okay, so we've got other bootcamp videos that we're going to teach you about. You have to publish it too. I forgot to tell you that. You have to click publish once, and then it gets published, and it looks good. Okay, hopefully all that makes sense. Custom URLs, you're good to go. When you do publish it, publish settings, make sure you don't check this little box, because this box means you want to hide it from Google, from the internet. It's not good. Request public search engines do not display. No. Leave it unchecked. Look, this site is viewable at joshoaks.net. I removed, you'll notice that normally there's a little dash in there. I don't want the dash, so I just like Josh Oaks. So you can view it at sites.google.com, view Josh Oaks. And for $12, I bought joshoaks.net so that employers can find me, okay? And you see that little purple box? That means it's verified. That means all that work we just did with Google to buy it on Google domains and then to do all this stuff, it's all beautiful. Awesome. All right, you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. You guys are awesome. Ask your principal. If you have any questions, email your principal. Principal, ask me. I'll shoot a video. You're amazing. If you want to share it with your principal, go up here, click the plus sign up here. See that? Share it with your principal or whoever, counselor. Put their email address in there and click send. Has to be a Google hosted email or the school. Usually your school's based on Google's technology. You'll see that. And share it with your friends. If you trust them, if they love you, share it with them and say, look this over. And when you share it with somebody, you can give them edit access. So when they log in, like your mom, your dad, whoever, they can adjust something. They can go, hey, it looks great, but I'm going to XYZ. I'm going to adjust these words and delete them and add them. And it's amazing. Okay. That's a whole nother video. And when you're done, just click publish. I'm Josh Oaks. Thanks guys. I'll see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.